complex that I do not like. Whenever I venture out into the woods, she tries to ruin my hike. Like running up to me and barking in my face while displaying her ugly red gums. I'll try and look around for a big stick, but the sentinel bitch ain't dumb. To guard your territory makes a lot of sense if intruders show up on your land. Threatening anyone you see nearby is something I cannot understand. Collect my steeds. Every time I set out in that trail by my house, I'm asking to confront my worst dreams. There's a little white dog that lives behind my house that is wearing guinea shoes, guinea shoes. Everyone I know is driven half mad by my constant chat of that threat. Trying to turn something scary humorous makes a deceptive mask, but I sure haven't mastered that trick of camouflaging myself in the woods. It's time to play Simon Says, but by the time you've touched your nose, your last prayer of running up a tree is shattered along with your moans. Trying to collect my steeds, but every time I set out in that trail by my house, I'm asking to confront my worst dreams. Devil canine, going for blood. Why are you so angry at me? I've been exploring these lands for more than your life, so go take your aggression far away. Someone must have abused you long ago, or maybe she's just an inherent menace. I don't need to see that ugly red gums down when I'm down. I had a talk with the owner of that dog, and he says she will not bite. Well, I've got second thoughts about that, 'cause she seems to hate my very sight. He says her name is Zula, the keeper of the woods, and he'll let her do as she please. Well, a hunter or someone who's had a bad day may not let her charge at her with ease. That lives behind my house with a complex that I do not like. Whenever I venture out into the woods, she interferes with my hike. Like running up to me and barking in my face while displaying her ugly red gums. I'll try and look around for a stick, but the sentinel bitch ain't dumb. To guard your territory makes makes a lot of sense if intruders show up on your land. But threatening anyone you see nearby is something I cannot understand. I'm only trying to do some exploring in the woods and trying to collect my steams. But every time I set out in the trail by my house, I'm asking to confront my worst dreams. Devil Whitey, going for blood, why are you so angry at me? I've been exploring these lands for more than your life. So go and take your aggression far away from here. Someone must have abused you a long time ago. Footprints never looked as scary as this, and her bark is so bizarre. The sound of it shrill and distinct as that. The echo carries quite far.